if f of x is equal to x cubed minus x minus 4, then what is the set of all numbers for which f of c is equal to f of minus c? And to solve this, we just need to plug c into our function anywhere we see an x, and then do the same thing for negative c. And then we can take those two expressions and set them equal to each other and solve for c. So let's first start. F of c is simply c to the third power minus c minus 4, and f of minus c to the third power is just minus c cubed, and then we have minus negative c, or plus c, minus 4, and now we can set both of these equal to each other so that we have c cubed minus c minus 4 is equal to minus c cubed plus c minus 4. And right away we can notice that if we add 4 to each side, that we can eliminate both of these constant terms. And now our goal would be to set one side of the equation equal to 0 so that we can try and factor this. So if we add c cubed to each side of the equation, we have 2c cubed minus c is equal to c. And then subtracting c from each side, we have 2c cubed minus 2c is equal to 0. Dividing everything by 2, we're left with c cubed minus c is 0. And from here, we can try and factor this. And since both of these terms have a c in them, we can factor out a c so that we have c times c squared minus 1 is equal to 0. And inside this parentheses, we have a difference of 2 squares, since 1 is the same thing as 1 squared. And when you have a difference of 2 squares, you can rewrite it as the first square minus the second one, multiplied by the first one plus the second one. And this is equal to 0. And so here, if we plug in a 0, the entire expression on the left-hand side will be 0. This is also true if we plug in a 1 here or a negative 1 here. So c can be equal to 0, 1, and negative 1. And these values satisfy the equation f of c is equal to f of minus c. So these values of c are the final answers.